pay attention to the environment and the electricity conduction in order to make sure the machine works properly. The machines are vibrated during transport and handling, so the lubricating oil and refrigerant in the compressor will mix together. If start the machine at once, the lubricating oil will run out of the compressor and result in short units of the compressor. So leave the machine for about 24 hours before operation. The machines should be placed in a well-ventilated position. The ground should be flat. Leave at least a 500 mm space around the machine for free airflow and at least a 1500 mm space for the hot air outlet, so as to have a proper heat distribution. The environmental temperature should be kept below 32 degrees centigrade. Keep the machine away from direct sunlight and heat source. If there is heat effect around the machine, will make some effect on the result of the refrigeration. The ice cream cannot reach the desired hardness. The recipe material temperature should be kept between 5 to 32 degrees centigrade at the best. If lower than 5 degrees centigrade, the material will block the plug tube. If higher than the environmental temperature, 32 degrees centigrade, this will increase the load of refrigeration, so the production capacity will become less. Power sockets should be provided a ground or prepare an independent ground wire from the machine case to the ground. Otherwise, it is very dangerous for people's safety. The total capacity of the power source should meet the demands of the machine. For power load, the supply voltage drops when the capacity of power source is not enough or overloaded. This may result in improper operation. If the section area of the power cable is too small, there is no guarantee of the electric current, and the supply voltage will drop also. For double-drum machines, it is prohibited to fill one stereo drum for ice cream material and the other drum for another material at the same time. Otherwise may result in damage of the machine. The control panel of Jingling ice cream machine series. Control panel with light touch keys. Control panel with push buttons. Control panel with command switch. Both of the operation is more or less the same. Control panel with light touch keys. This kind of control panel is composed integrated circuit and light touch keys. When the power is on, the lamp on the stop button will light up. Push the watch button, so the lamp on the button will light up. The stereo starts to work. Push the produce button, so the lamp on the button will light up. The machine is in the run mode. If you have pushed the watch button, please push the stop button first, otherwise the machine does not run. When the ice cream reaches the preset harness, the lamp on the reset button, overloaded lamp, will light up and the machine will stop. Just push the reset button, the machine will run immediately. Control panel with push button. The control panel is composed of 2 switches and 1 button. Quite simple. Turn the watch key to the open position, so the lamp on the key will light up. The stereo starts to work. Turn the produce key to the open position, so the lamp on the key will light up. The machine is in the run mode. If the watch key has been turned to the open position, the machine does not run. When the ice cream reaches the preset harness, the lamp on the reset button, overload lamp will light up and the machine will stop. Just push the reset button. The machine will run immediately. Control panel with command switch. This type of control panel is very visual. Turn the command switch to the stereo position. The stereo works. Turn the command switch to the produce position. The green lamp will light up. The machine is in the run mode. When the ice cream reaches the preset hardness, the red lamp, overload lamp will light up, and the machine will stop. Just push the reset button. The machine will run immediately. The hardness setting is based on the setting of the pointer on the hardness adjuster, which is fixed in the side of the electric box or on the sideboard of the machine. When the ice cream reaches the preset hardness, the load of the stereo motor increases and the electric current will increase at the same time. This signal will make the machine stop by the electronic circuit. If the ice cream reaches the desired hardness, but the machine does not stop, turn the pointer of hardness adjuster to socket direction until the machine stops. If the overload lamp lights up and the machine stops before ice cream reaches the desired hardness, turn the pointer of the hardness adjuster to hard direction until the machine reaches the desired hardness and stop. In order to let you know about the components we mentioned in the instruction, now we have an introduction of the components and the titles. Upper lid, stereo shaft, limit switch assembly, branch tube, outer tube and inner tube, socket flash, rod, discharge flow block, horizontal bar, handle, plug, O-ring gasket, bridge gaskets, starter screw,